Welcome back to our new fans. Today we are going to talk about how to disconnect headphone in Oppo phones. Guys, you want to disconnect your headphone from your phone, so you can disconnect it. In this video guys, I will show you how to disconnect it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Sorry friends, click on phone settings. Sorry guys, Bluetooth. So you can see my headphone has connected, but guys I want to disconnect. So you can see this icon option. So we will click here, disconnect. Guys, your headphone will disconnect, and guys now we will off our headphone. This power off button. Guys, off your Bluetooth. So I think friends, we have understood how to disconnect headphone in Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will move to next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.